Hi, I'm Jessica Barmer from Clipperman. Clipperman is a brand which has been designed with Eddie Palin, the clipper expert. Here we have the Clipperman Agri. As you can see on the box, we have the key USPs along the bottom and even further detail on the back of the case. When we remove the cardboard sleeve, we are left with a high quality case to protect your goods in both transit and storage. As we open the box, inside you can see the shearer itself with the blade guard for safety, a cleaning brush, oil, and then a screwdriver and the springs for servicing and for changing of blades. In addition to these items, you will also find the instruction manual, product range leaflet, and the warranty card. All Clipperman products have a 2-year warranty. To register your warranty, simply fill in this form and send back to us. Alternatively, you can visit our website at www.clipperman.co.uk, where online you will find this form, which is easy and quick to complete and send back to us. As you can see, the Agri shearer is relatively light at only 1.4 kilograms. This means that it's easy to work with all day. But don't be fooled, this is still a very heavy duty machine at 380 watts. This mains power of 380 watts means it can take a lot of grief before the machine will trip out. The blades. This machine comes with CL13 Agri shearing blades. It's a standard 13-tooth shearing set. You can purchase these separately if you require more than one set. We will show you later how to change the blades. So we're now ready to go and to power the Agri. As you can see, you get ample cable, so let's now power on the machine. As you can hear, it's very powerful, but not too loud. Here you can see we have the Agri shearer, and I'm about to show you how to change, clean and oil the blades. So first, we take the tension nut and we loosen it. Not all the way off, just a bit so that it loosens the tension between the blades. Then, turning it over, we take the screwdriver and just loosen off till things move. We don't have to undo them all the way, just a little. Okay. Now you have your cutter and your comb apart. It would be an ideal time to clean them. So using a product such as Clipperman's Clipper Blade Wash Spray, we can spray the product all over. And now would also be a really good time to get maybe a piece of tissue or a rag and just to wipe that excess grease off that the Clipper Blade Wash Spray has cleaned away. Okay. Now to reapply. First of all, if we take the cutter and line it up with the 2 big holes onto these 2 prongs here, again with the ground side facing upwards. So that's that bit, and then this bit we want to see the Clipperman CL13 Agri towards us. So we're just going to slide that onto those pins, and then whilst pushing it all together, we're just going to tighten the tension nuts ever so slightly, just to keep things straight. Then, taking the screwdriver, you need to make sure there is a gap about the width of the screwdriver, ensuring the blades are straight. Then simply tighten. Pick it up, check everything's straight, tighten the tension a bit more. That's it, blades changed. Now for the oiling. Oiling can be done with 2 of our products every 10 minutes. Personal preference whether you want a spray or a traditional dropper bottle. If we were to use the bottle, we'd simply unscrew the lid, screw on the dropper, and you're away to apply. We'll just put the lid on so I can show you how we would do it without getting oil everywhere. So obviously minus this lid, this is what you do. You go along all the blades, down through this hole here, so that you can get the working parts. Turn over, and again, through the 2 holes you can see here, and inside all the moving parts. The same process would apply using the spray. Just spray all over, down into the moving parts, through any gaps you can see. Lubricating the blades with oil should be done every 10 minutes.